and welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll go over AVAXSAVING. There's been a lot of projects recently released with staking rewards, and during these bearish market times, what better time to stake and earn some high yield returns on these layer ones. I am big in AVAX, and I've been investing in the AVAX network ever since Wonderland Time was launched. And if you go to sites like Aave, you'll be earning 1.63% APY and 5.52% APR in AVAX rewards. And those are the kind of rewards you can expect through sites like Aave or staking directly on the AVAX network through validators. And now you have these high yield applications with a little bit of more risk to leverage those rewards. So in this video, we'll go over how AVAXSAVING app works. We'll go over their documentation, and we'll go over the audit to see if there's any problems with the contract and any potential rug pulling. And I also did stake today some of my AVAX, so I'll show you at the end of the video a tutorial how to stake and earn AVAX rewards here with this application. Let's take it from the top. At the top, you have the white paper, you have the audit, and the contract information. If you scroll down, you have Discord and Twitter links here, and that is the app. It is that simple. It's very straightforward and easy to get involved. Stake AVAX, earn AVAX, audited and unruggable contract, risk-free to earn up to 18% ROI daily. So how does this work? What you need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. You come up here, you click MetaMask, you type in your password, you connect your wallet here, continue, connect. And it is now connected into the site. They do have a referral program, and you can copy this link and share it to earn extra rewards. Here you'll see your total staking tokens, your total claim rewards, and your claimable rewards. I'll go over the specific and fees once we go into the white paper. And here are the investment plans. It's very simple. There's only three. There's a 10-day, 15-day, and 20-day plan there. For the 10-day, you're earning 18% daily rewards. For the 15-day, you're earning 15.5 daily rewards. And for the 20-day, you're earning 13 daily rewards. I will be investing in two of these towards the end of the video to show you how that works. And if we go lower, frequently asked questions, is my money safe? Yes, our contract has been audited. No vulnerabilities, no backdoors. We'll go over the specifics of the audit in just a bit. Why should I invest here? No locked plans. You can claim at any time. Some of these staking and savings plans, they lock your claimable rewards until the end of the invested term. In this project, there is no lock period. You can claim at any time. Reward rates are reasonable and won't be changed, which means more sustainability. We are active at marketing. So there's something a little different about this one, which I'll go in depth about how safe or how risky this project is. They do have a few things here that I like, in which you can earn some awesome rewards relatively risk-free because of the way they made the app function. How do referrals work here? You must be invested at least one time. After that, you'll be eligible to earn the referral bonus. Do you have Telegram? No, but we have Discord. They do have a Discord and Twitter. Discord has their latest announcements, and so does Twitter. This project is relatively new. It's only been out for about 4 to 5 days. I think it has huge potential for those early investors right now. Let's go to their documentation here. Introducing AVAXSAVING. AVAXSAVING is a high-yield investment program deployed on Avalanche Network, committed to generate sustained passive income for investors. Our contract has been verified, designed for a long-time run and unruggable. The team don't have rights to control any part of the contract and unable to take out any funds from the contract. Stake AVAX to earn AVAX. You are free to stake your AVAX into our program. Minimum amount is 0.1 AVAX. And if we go to CoinGecko, we enter 0.1 here. We're talking about $7.33. Very inexpensive to get into this project right now. Rewards will start generating immediately and able to claim at any time. This is powerful. 3 different staking plans: 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. 10 days, 18% daily rewards. Total, 180% return. 15 days, 15.5% daily rewards. Total, 232.5% returns. And the last plan here, 20 days, 13% daily rewards, total 260% returns. And that is a breakdown. It's just that simple. For example, if you staked 10 AVAX into 10 days plan, you will earn 1 times 18%, which equals 1.8 AVAX daily. And your total profit after 10 days will be 1 times 18% times 10 days equals 18 AVAX. Here is the funding structure. On each new stake, the contract will distribute the funds for below purpose. Just a little caveat, when you do deposit or you stake your AVAX, that is a sunk cost. That means that you lose that deposit, but you earn daily high yield returns. That's how you make your money back and those extra returns. This is what happens when you deposit. On each new stake, the contract will distribute the funds from below purpose. 90% sent to the pool directly, 7% hold as reserve funds, 2% for marketing and giveaway. If you do join their Discord and Twitter, they do have giveaways there, and 1% to the team. And there is no fees on claiming. So those are 2 great points compared to other projects. They have no lockup period and no fees. What you earn is what you see. This is the first project that I see that is doing this. This is why I said this is relatively safer than other projects. Once you stake your AVAX here for those awesome returns, you can claim at any time with no penalty fees. So this is what makes it less risky compared to other projects. They're also stating that they're not going to change their reward structure. Similar projects like this I've seen last several weeks and maybe a few months, and this is fairly new. So if you're thinking they might run out of reserves there to pay out those rewards, you can come in here and claim at any time and recoup the cost of your investment pretty quickly. And they have a referral program. You get 7% from level 1 referral, 3% from level 2 referral, 1% from level 3 referral. And you need to invest before you get that referral link. And they are live now. And let's take a look at their contract. Let's see some of the risks here. They've been audited by Hayes Crypto, and there is 2 issues here. High issue, high to medium severity, optimization, low severity. High issue, the system used is called ROI and must be considered as high risk. Users' principal deposit cannot be withdrawn. Users can get dividends and referral commissions. Dividends are paid from deposits of other users. Do always invest with proper knowledge and investigation. Do your own research. It's just stating here that there is a sunk cost. The moment you stake, you lose your tokens. And here's an optimization suggestion with low severity. This is for people who stake more than 100 parallel deposits. So that's more than 100 deposits within the same plan, which most of us doesn't pertain to. There is some limitations here with gas and size of the transactions. Independent description of the smart contract functionality. The AVAXSAVING smart contract provides the opportunity to invest in any amount of AVAX from 0.1 AVAX, which is around $7, in the contract and get a 180-260% return on investment in 10 to 20 days if the contract balance has enough funds for payment. So that is the only caveat there. We need new investors coming in here. But like I stated earlier, you can claim your rewards at any time for no fees. All dividends are calculated at the moment of request and available for withdrawal anytime. Each subsequent deposit is kept separately in the contract to maintain the payment amount for each deposit. And here is project fee, 10%. 3 investment plans. Here are their investment plans that we just saw. They only have 3. Plan 1, you get 180%. Plan 2, 232. And plan 3, 260. These are the daily profits and the days you'll be invested. You can withdraw anytime. And like I mentioned before, just subtract 100% from these figures since you lose your investment when you stake it. That's called a sunk cost. So here you'll actually be making 80%, and this one you'll be making 132%, and this one you'll be making 160%. You cannot beat these rates with any of the other apps. This is a little riskier, but with high risk comes high reward. The minimum deposit there, and here is the referral system, which we already went over. And that's what you need to know about AVAXSAVING. So how do you get involved? First, you need a decentralized wallet like MetaMask. Second, you need to buy AVAX. I buy AVAX with Binance US. I'm based out of the US and I like Binance. Once you buy AVAX, you send it to your MetaMask wallet and then you come in here to the app. let's go over how to stake a position. So you connect your MetaMask wallet, you wait for it to load, and you scroll down here to New Invest. You select the plan. For this one, I'm going for 10 days to earn 18% daily rewards. I'm going to stake 1 AVAX, and then you click stake. Then you confirm the transaction here with gas fees in your MetaMask wallet. Confirm. Once it confirms, then you'll see the new investment pop up here on the right side, and it tells you the information. Now let's do 15 days here. I'm going to stake another AVAX to earn 15.5 daily rewards. Wait for it to load, confirm. And it is approved now. So here's my investment number 2. So I have 2 AVAX staked right now, 1 for 10 days and 1 for 15 days. If we go to the top left, you'll see your total staking, total claimed, and where to claim your rewards. And like I said before, you can claim anytime, and there is no claiming fees. You're only gonna pay those AVAX gas fees, which is a few pennies. And that does it for this video. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you've been investing in these staking programs, please let me know down below in the comment section which ones have been working out the best for you based on your experience. And make sure to follow the channel so that you don't miss any other money-making opportunities just like this one. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.